Virunda's Panimadi Mukhi Ballet has always been a favorite music of mine. So when Indian Raga Labs provided us with this opportunity, I was really excited about it.
We learned quite a bit in having to adapt with the musicians. We had very many younger student musicians, and being dance students ourselves, it was very interesting to have to adapt to them and learn our steps each and every time.
So we were actually in a recording studio for the first time, which was really different and unique, and we had to wear headphones while we danced, so that was something new and pretty cool for us.
It was a challenge, but a fun challenge to be part of the creative process in terms of the music.
And the experience was totally different from what we're used to. Normally we dance to pre-recorded music, whereas in this production it's live music.
And being our first music video is really interesting to be part of recording so many shots and takes. And we would also like to thank India Raga Labs for opening the doors to dancers and allowing us to partake in music videos.
I'm very grateful to Indian Raga for this experience. I've never sang for dance before, and I had to match my voice with the dancers' emotions, so that was a very good learning experience for me.
When we were recording, I couldn't see the others, so I learned to adapt in different environments.
When we were in the recording studio and while I was singing, I was behind the screen and they had this giant mic right in front of my mouth, and we had to wear headphones, and that's the only way we could hear other people. So it was kind of different at first, but it was a nice experience.
I'm really grateful that my guru is on board for this project. I've never played Mridangam for dance before, and it requires a lot of coordination. And I learned a lot and I had a lot of fun, but I'm glad he was there to help out.
I've never played Ahiri before, so this was a great opportunity to learn the raga, and I really enjoyed it.
Personally, for me, it was a very interesting experience working a full dance program where my student was playing, because this goes against the way I've usually been teaching. I don't script the Mridangam playing this much. Usually it's not scripted, but here it had to be scripted from end to end, which I think is a wonderful idea in the direction which Indian music has to go, and learn from Western music how scripting and rehearsing can really contribute to music in a very big way. India and Raga is really doing a very valuable service that we're giving this exposure to these children, making them understand what all goes into it, and then give the general lesson that you pursue a passion, go after it, make it part of your life, and really have fun and make it your companion forever.